Now it's trying to engrave a picture on a 3D surface. I tried with Mastercam Art and Mastercam and seems to be doing just around what I wanted, but for these inside parts there was so much shadow. Not good. Not good at all. It looks horrible on the inside. The outside is good. Outside is good. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Lots of chatter. Chatter. There. Sorry, I'm finished. Can't speak English very well, as you can probably hear. Yeah, it should be around halfway point. About now. All the axes are working. Full throttle and I don't know if you can see it, but it's about 3500 RPM and 1000 millimeter per minute speed, and it's taking about 0.1 millimeter engraving cut, so it should do really well. This is a masterpiece machine. Well, for turning, not so much for rotating tools. Maxxturn, maybe basic turn. It just doesn't have the power or the rigidity. How do you say that? Yeah, I'll show you the things.
So, hi again. Here's the almost finished workpiece. I ran out of time, so I just did the engraving part, made my name and little bit of motivational inspiration, you might want to say, and simple picture. That's about it. What I did that was new to me. The out contours were easy to machine. There were nothing difficult about it, but on the inside, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's full of chatter. Yeah, hard word. Can't help it. Anyhow, there you can see. It yelled when I was machining the inside diameter and the inside shape of the bowl. Yeah, bowl, that works. So it didn't end up with a nice finish like the outside. It was very shiny. Works for me. Well, it's another paperweight and little coin collector. Here's the part where I tried to do the rotating tools and tried to mill like a crown on the top of the part, but after this I decided just to stop it because it started to scream like a living daylight. So once again, I should have probably just milled the top before I finished the inside, so that way it should have been more stable. But we'll learn for this. It wasn't any kind of school work, it was just a small free time job, you might say. I have too much time. But it's a good piece of practice. I learned a lot for this 3D engraving system and the Mastercam art. So I'm happy with the results. Yeah, I didn't have time to cut the bottom off from the part, but I think I'll just polish it and put some kind of soft, maybe pedals, I don't know what you call it, but on the bottom so it doesn't scratch anything. And maybe a little bit sanding on the inside to make it shine a little bit more, but yeah. But that's it. Mastercam and Mastercam art and simple 3D engraving on a 3D surface. It has a little arc, as you can see. So the program was very long. It took a couple of hours to finish. And some of the time was because I didn't want to go full automatic because I was scared that it would crash the machine, the CNC lathe, and it would be very expensive to repair that. So I did it with time and got it something close to what I wanted. But now I probably won't use that CNC lathe for a while. I'll be starting to practice my 3D machining with CNC milling center and starting to practice those Mastercam and milling operations with, well, at school. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's it. This was another one of my little projects that I do every once in a while when I get the inspiration or just too much time off. So if that's it, I'll stop here and we'll see again when I have another project to show you guys. So bye.